Hello viewers, I'm here with yet another video on advanced vocabulary, which will be useful for your IELTS speaking or CELPIP speaking as well. Just before I get started, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do smash the like button, also comment below. My name is Sridhar Santhanam. I'm the founder of CELPIP Academy. Let's see what do we have here. Alacrity, cheerful, benevolent, kind-hearted, peril, danger, ramification, consequence, surrogate, substitute, mockery, ridicule, ambivalent, doubtful. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the other side. Thanks for watching.